Here's a tutorial on how to get the paper airplane for free. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to go to your holdables. Make sure you not have nothing on. So make sure you have this on. Make sure you take it off. This, take it off. And I promise I don't have it at home, because if I did, I would be able to do this. Or I'd have something here. Same thing, I'll just go through these. Just show hats, yeah, badges, holdables. I took my hat off. Okay, so you want to go to city. So look, 2,500 shiny rocks. I don't have it, so I just did this and made a video about it. But you wanna, I restarted my game. But what are you doing? Okay, so
try out. Nobody
here.
cares.
Okay, so put this on,
Yeah.
and then
about me because I'm ugly.
you can throw it over there, over here,
Nobody has
or just throw it over there, and then run out. It should spawn back on your arm, and you have it. So there you go. But you won't have it in your thing. Like, but if you put something else on, it disappears. But I'll do it again.
You guys weirdo.
So go over there. Run out. So there you go. It's that simple.
Yo, do you want to know how to get this for free?
Do what for free?
Get back here.
The paper
I
airplane?
got this for free. Yeah. Get back here.
I'm making a video about how to get a paper airplane for free.
Bro, get your plane back here.
So I'll do one more walkthrough. So you equip it, just throw it, and then just run over here. It should spawn back on your arm. There you go. And if it spawns back on your arm when you're out here, then you know you did it.
Oh, you want to go shopping?
And like, look, you can go. I'll just go to mountains, for example.
I just see some boogers on your nose. That's nice.
What?
But you don't.
And then look, I still have it.
Well,
Yeah, it's that easy. So yeah, have fun. I'll end the video in a second. Maybe on Target.
You have to go to Target.
Yep.
Lava Monkey, can you teach me how to go to Target? You?
Yep.
The Santa hat?